Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check upcoming apps update on iPhone. So what to do right now here, you will just find the App Store on this iOS device. So when you open the iOS, you will just go in this profile icon. Is the top right corner of, you will see that the default photo. This is your App Store profile, so you will just have to tap. So from here in the last you will see the upcoming automatic updates. So from here you will just one click to update all, or you choose one by one to click it update. So from here you will just update the app from App Store. So it's easy and simple. You can just tap one tap to update all the apps. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.